What up, YouTube? It's been a long time, but this is J Mizzle 24 back with another video, man. It's been a while, man, since did an upload. So I did a few things in the last month or so with the RDX, including getting some new DW 750cc injectors, Beachworks. Painted my valve cover and my fuel rail. Just tidied up a little bit of stuff. Even changed the wastegate actuator and the pin on the turbo. Did a few things to the RDX. But today, this is going to be about installing a new oil catch can. So here's my new oil catch can. It's by just a Amazon brand. It's from Evil Energy. Just one of your run of the mill just the generic oil catch can, but it's gonna do the job, being that the stock PCV valve has failed. You don't even hear the check valve in there. You don't even hear the bearing moving anymore. So it's either stuck open or stuck closed. I'm assuming it's going to be stuck open because in my intake manifold I had some oil in there, so I'm getting a lot of blow by. So I just decided I wanted to go ahead and take care of that. So I jumped a little ahead on this. So what I've already done, I've already ran the hoses. I'm not the guy to, do the install on camera and stuff like that. Cause I got a broken tripod. But anyway, so I ran the hoses. So I got one hose going to the vacuum of the throttle body, and then I got the other hose coming. They would normally run to the PCV in the throttle body. So now the only thing is to have the mount. So on my RDX, I got a custom intake, so that leaves a lot of room because I removed the intake box. So now the next thing to do would be to mount it and then make sure I put my hoses on. You always want to make sure that the end is going to be on the hose side, going into the vacuum, and then the out is going to be coming from the throttle body. So I'm just going to go ahead and mount this, and then we'll be back. All right, and just like that, catch can is mounted. But like I said earlier, I have a custom intake. So when you remove the box, you got some bolt holes from where the old intake box was. So I use that for my mount of it, and then this little mount, the thing this it stands up. And I just kind of wanted it to be laid down, not and out of the way. So if I want to remove the catch can from the mount, then I can, and I don't have to really undo this bolt down here. But yeah, man, there's my oil catch can set up on my 2009 Acura RDX. I got some more videos coming, for right now, I wish I should have filmed the injector install, but like I said, I'm just not that type to video document everything, which is probably gonna be my downfall as a YouTube creator. But yeah, man, so that's it, man. Be ready for more videos. I'm out.